Tell us about Tito pasta sauce.
Well, Tito pasta sauce was started with Tito wanting to do something along with his father, and was trying to think of some type of legacy project or product that he could give back to the community with, and with his father as well, both being obviously part of the fabric of Cleveland baseball. And we got wind of it. We approached him and thought that it might be natural for him to. He and his father, both lovers of Italian food and pasta, to come out with their own line of pasta sauces. And he thought it was a great idea. Tito, his dad, even loved it even more, and they decided to team up, and they teamed up with us as well, so we can get it to market for him, and that's pretty much how it came about. And now Terry's even more engaged this year, unfortunately, with Tito's passing, his father, so we really hope to continue on with the legacy in a greater, stronger way, and give more to the charity.
And this is the sauce is something that Terry and Tito were fans of?
Yeah,
or you
absolutely.
concocted it new for them, or was
yes, the sauce is concocted with Terry's and Tito's approval. Absolutely, it was a pasta sauce overall was the concept, and then they approved the actual sauces. So you can say it's their recipe.
Yeah. Let me get some. It looks good.
Rosé salsa, and then you get the Tito and Son
Tomato basil.
tomato basil.
Nice.
We added that number 3 acres of sauces. Tomato basil pasta sauce. Available now at the grocery store.